So here's your first look at a real and fake pair of the NIKE Mercurial Vapor 1 Remake in the orange colorway. Can you spot any differences? Hopefully this video helps you. Hello, today we're taking a look at a real and fake pair of the brand new NIKE Mercurial Vapor Remakes in the bright orange colorway. This one here's the retail one, this one here's the fake one. It's just to help you at home if you are trying to purchase a retail one. It's an expensive pair of football boots, you don't want to get it wrong, so this is here to help you. So I must emphasize it does not support the counterfeit industry in any way, just to help you at home purchase a retail pair. So take a look at the retail one first. This is the box it comes in. It's obviously a throwback Nike box, which is actually pretty nice. I like that they did that. Here is a look at the label. Pick these up in a size UK 10. These are straight from Nike in the UK, so this is what the UK label looks like. So just pause the screen here and check it against your pair to make sure it matches up like this. And then if we open it up, they do come with their own boot bag, as you can see. Same colour as the boots. You've got this Nike football logo on the front, and the actual back of the bag is plain but the same colour as the boots, and the drawstrings are black. Move that to the side. Here are the boots. I actually think they look really good. The orange isn't too bright. Maybe I would have liked it a little bit brighter, but it obviously matches that of the original. So let me know what you think of it. So we'll take these out and move them to the side. Nothing else in the box apart from just the paper. So move the box to the side. The fake one comes in a plastic bag. No box, no boot bag, nothing like that. So just if you're paying the price, make sure it comes with all the accessories. It's a telltale sign straight away. But we'll open these up. Move it to the side. There's a very strong smell of glue. So here's your first look at a real and fake pair of the NIKE Mercurial Vapor 1 Remake in the orange colorway. Can you spot any differences? Hopefully this video helps you. So I'll move the left boot to the side and we'll take a look at the right boot first. The first noticeable obvious difference is the actual colour of both boots. So the orange is replicated but not very well. So hopefully you can see that on the camera, but the colour of the orange on the upper is very different. On the retail one here, it's more of a dark orange and it has a slight glistening tone to it. Hopefully you can see that in the light. It glistens a little bit, sparkles. The fake one is much lighter orange and there's no glistening effect to it at all. It looks kind of plain and boring, if that makes sense. Also, if you look at the colour of the laces, and I hold them up, the retail one here, you can see the laces pretty much match the upper. They stand out a little bit, but not compared to the fake one. The colour of the laces is completely off to the upper, and in terms of the actual colour of the laces between the two, you can see a difference in the colour. A lighter orange on the fake one compared to the retail one, which is a much darker orange. The next easy noticeable difference is the actual overall shape of the boot. So this is the retail one, you can see it. A lot of people actually weren't happy with the shape, but for me personally, don't mind it. You can see how it dips a lot lower here towards the heel around the ankle. If we look at the fake one and put it above, you can see it doesn't really have the same shape towards the heel. It's much higher here, it doesn't dip as much, and the actual overall fit is not the same at all, and it just looks even more chunkier than it should. Yeah, it looks really weird. Don't like how the swoosh is as well. It's a lot smaller on the fake one compared to the retail one above. Just makes the overall boot look wrong in a way. Spinning the boots to the back, taking a look at the heel here. This is the retail one. You can see a hard heel cap on the back here with this wavy pattern. You can see that this section here is actually a darker orange to the rest of the upper, so it stands out a little bit and is divided by this white line which circles towards the back, as you can see here. The fake one, well, they've got the white line and the circling here, but this is no heel cup at the back here. This is just the same material as on the upper, no real protection at all. Tried to do the wavy texture, but not really the same. But the big difference is the heel protector, the heel cup at the back. Look at the difference. This one has one, this one doesn't. So if you get stood on in the heel for this one, it's gonna hurt and you're gonna feel it. And also, it's just not gonna feel good on your feet. Having no real shape to the boot, if you look at it from the back here, look at the difference in the shape. This is one that's made for your heel, it's a little more rounded. This one is a little bit long and sharp. It's just, yeah, it's not going to feel as good. So a lot of people complained about how wide the heel area is. I actually, like I said earlier, don't mind this. This shape actually looks quite narrow compared to the silver pair, which I have up there somewhere. But this one, yeah, the Vapor one fits my feet really well, no complaints. The shape of the replica, as you can see, a lot more tall and narrow towards the thing. It isn't good. I promise you, you'll have extra space here at the back. It's really hard to get your size right because there's a lot of things wrong with this boot. Spinning both pairs upside down, taking a look at the sole plates, you should hopefully be able to see a colour difference between the two. In terms of the overall sole plate, you can see a difference in the colour of the kind of tangerine orange, I'm going to call it. And also if you look at the air zoom plate, there's a slight misted effect, a blue misted effect on the retail one. The fake one is much clearer, as you can see. And fun fact, there's no air zoom unit in the fake one. There is on the retail one, so the retail one is actually pretty comfy to wear. I've worn the Cinder pair a lot and it is incredibly comfy. The fake one here is not. This, I can probably bend this sole plate in half right in the middle. I'll do it at the end of the video, but stay tuned for that. A minor difference, if you look at the actual air zoom unit here, you look at the text, you can see the air zoom text is right on the line of the plastic of the sole plate. Looking at the fake one, you can see a much larger gap between the text and the sole plate itself. Just minor differences like that if you want to go into all the details. Now if we take a look inside the boot, so they come with paper shoe tree, retail one here, the fake one comes with a plastic shoe bag which says Nike on it in black, but this is just wrong as well. And then if we take out the insole from both pairs, so a fun little fact about the details on the insole, on the retail one it says created to the exact specifications of Cristiano Ronaldo, which is a cool little detail, I do like that. And you can see it's on a yellow insole as well. It's pretty thick, pretty sturdy, just a basic insole if you want to say that. Move that to the side. The fake one does say created to the exact specifications of Cristiano Ronaldo, however the text is a little bit kind of smudged and it isn't really accurate. And if we spin upside down, the insole is not yellow. So it's a much thinner insole, just doesn't offer as much cushioning, but yeah, not correct. Taking a look inside the boot, here's the retail one. Hopefully you can see, I don't know, the stitching at the bottom of the back there, they've double reinforced it for the sole plate to stay on. And also the material at the bottom is very different to the fake one. So here's the fake one. And hopefully you can see they've tried to replicate the air zoom pocket at the front, but I promise you there's absolutely nothing in there, and it isn't double stitched at the back to keep the sole plate very secure. So both of these don't have the insole in it right now, and if I bend the retail one, like I can bend it to there, and it bends probably about the front of the swoosh, so when you're sprinting it kind of bends there to hope your toes bend and get more acceleration. If I bend the fake one, I probably could bend the fake one right here. So if I bend it, yeah, like come on. Imagine your foot, like it should not bend there, that is just ridiculous. There's no stability on the sole plate whatsoever. Terrible. Really, really bad for your feet. There's probably no point going into the details on the left boot because the left boot is basically exactly the same as the right boot. Just hope this video has helped you because replicas are getting a lot closer nowadays, so you just want to make sure you are getting the real deal. This boot is about £240, which is an expensive pair of football boots, but you want to make sure you're getting the real deal. Nike is continuing to re-release boots from the past. I really hope they bring out a gold version of these. I'll probably buy all of them because I love that boot so much. But this is the latest one, the orange one. Let me know down below in the comments what you think of it. I'm actually surprised but it didn't sell out. I don't think it was limited as the silver ones or even the Cinder ones. These haven't sold out yet, so let me know down below in the comments if you're going to buy a pair, if you have a pair. I like it, I do. Not my favourite of the three, my favourite is probably the silver. Then the Cinder and this one are probably tied, and I've already worn the Cinder one, so I don't see the point of under dead stocking these yet. But maybe at some point I will. Let me know what you think of the heel problem. For me, like I said, not an issue. And do you spot any more differences below? Comment them down below so you can help other people. Thanks for watching. Hope you have an amazing day. Please like and subscribe. Helps me do more videos like this. Yeah, this has been a comparison of the Nike Mercurial Vapor 1 Remake in this colorway.